Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share latest job openings from IndiaMART. They are hiring for business delivery, inside sales and customer service. So as you can see here, you should have below skill sets like client handling and application of telesales techniques, active listening and understanding the business context of clients, and you should have good verbal and written communicational skills and ability to work independently. And also you must have 70% marks in your 10th and 12th standards. You should have BTech or graduation with minimum 2 years of working experience in sales, or else freshers also can apply with a postgraduate degree in management. You must know the Tamil language and you must have your own laptop, and the salary would be up to 3.6 lakhs per annum and along with incentives, and it would be permanent work from home. So if you want to apply for this position, you can drop your resume on this mail ID.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.